Hey everyone, I'm Steve Fulgoni and I'm here at the shop at the Woodturning store. And in this video, I'm going to tell you about Axminster's newest chuck, the Evolution SK100. In one of my other videos, I described the differences between Axminster's flagship chuck, the SK114, that's the Evolution SK114, and compared that to their Clubman SK100, a 100 millimeter chuck that's been around for more than 30 years. In discussions with the team at Axminster, I suggested to them that they design an enclosed back 100 millimeter chuck. And they thought that was a good idea, and they came out with the SK100. Let's take a look at it. First, here's a vintage 100 millimeter Axminster Super Precision chuck, sold for more than 20 years, and I and many of you still have them. When the Super Precision chuck was discontinued, it was replaced with the Evolution SK114. This is probably the finest wood turning chuck made today. The only thing that I can say against this chuck is that it's pretty heavy, maybe a little bit too heavy for a mid-size 12-inch mini lathe or something like that. Here's the Axminster SK100 Clubman chuck. And while this is a great chuck, it has an external gear and uses a key similar to what we're all familiar with in a drill chuck. And while there's nothing wrong with that, I prefer internal gears to keep everything clean and possibly better holding power. So as I said, I recommended to Axminster that they take a look at designing something that would replace the Clubman, and they came up with the Evolution SK100. It's beautifully machined, just like all of the Axminster chucks. Enclosed back, direct thread, and the entire line of Axminster jaws is fully compatible between the entire range. Any jaw that you buy for the SK100 will fit on the SK114 and will also fit on the Clubman SK100 if you have it. Let's take a look at the accessory mounting jaws. As you can see, the accessory mounting jaws of the SK114 are longer than those of the SK100, so they do provide a longer bearing surface. And that's great for large bowls on large lathes. But the width and gearing is the same, so you can use the SK100 mounting jaws in your SK114 and vice versa. Keep in mind, if you use the red dot safety feature, which you can see here, hopefully, which indicates to you that your jaws are becoming too far extended on the chuck, that red dot feature will not work if you're interchanging jaws which have the SK100 carrier and the SK114 carrier. Just like the SK114, the SK100 is direct threaded, no inserts to change, and that gives you better accuracy. And we stock the M33, the 1x8 TPI threads per inch, and also the 1 1/4 inch by 8 threads per inch, most common on American full-size lathes. All of the Evolution chucks have 3 internal bevel gears, 1, 2, 3, which engage the scroll gear, and also set screws to help you out with reverse turning. They're all made from stainless steel and come with a lifetime guarantee. In my opinion, these are the finest wood turning chucks available today. We have them in stock at the Woodturning store, and we stock the entire line of Axminster chucks and jaws. We offer lightning fast shipping and provide unparalleled product support and service. Well, that's it. I hope it was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of new videos as they become available. Thanks for watching.